5 minus 3 is equals to 2. Here in the parentheses also 4 minus 2 is also 2. Okay, therefore 2 times 2 is just equals to 4. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation Pemdas, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority, work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression there is one subtraction and one multiplication here. Inside the parentheses there is one subtraction. Okay, therefore according to Pemdas, first we have to do this parenthesis, next this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this parenthesis or this multiplication, it is wrong. Therefore according to Pemdas, first we have to do this parenthesis, 4 minus 2 which is equals to 2. Okay, then 5 minus 3 times 2. Then there is subtraction and multiplication. Multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. Okay, because according to Pemdas, multiplication comes before subtraction. Therefore we have to multiply this number. 3 times 2 is equals to 6. Then 5 minus 6 is equals to -1. This is the correct answer of this problem. Okay, therefore the final answer of this problem is -1.